Range Blue Studio, and today I'm going to show you how to create a rain inside, or if you're just cloudy or sunny, and there will be raindrops on the screen and a rain. I just record this in my living room. I hope you like it. Okay, yeah, great. Okay, first we're gonna create a new composition. Yeah, and I'm gonna say 6 by sorry. Yeah. Four, 8, 0, and NTSCD1, and we're making it 10 seconds and looking good. And we're gonna put this one into a composition. Okay, over here type CC Mr. Mercury and just put it into your composition or your video, and you can see it just spawning like rain. You can always you can put this one in again, and it will do it this way. What the fuck happens? Oh yeah, sorry. Okay, great, looking good. Okay, I'm gonna make a blur. It's only focus on that one. Okay, now we can put the velocity down to 0. And the radius up and birth rate down a bit, and size gravity down to 0.1, and you can see it's going, looking good, man, looking good. Okay, now create a new solid. It doesn't matter what color, just make it comp size, and we're gonna make a particle system. Just type particle over in your effects and take a CC particle world, and here we got it. We're gonna go to this part, and here we can see it's a spawning in 3D. We're gonna turn grid off and go to producer and take radius X up a bit and X radius UI up a bit, and radius can just stay 0. It's only if we're working in 3D space, as we don't do. You can see it falls down, and not that good. You can put it behind this one, but a little bit better. And here we turn velocity down to 0. You can see it falling down, but it falls a bit too quick, so we're gonna set it to 0.200. You can see it falls. I put it down to 0.1. You can see it's looking good. And we're gonna go to particle and take the birth rate down a bit and link it down a bit, and yeah, and we can change the colors to some gray. Blue. And this one, well, looking good. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this tutorial. You can check out the later ones. Bye bye.